Welcome to Technology Zone. Asterisk, what you're about to see isn't science fiction. It's a glimpse into the real future of air combat. Asterisk, introducing the F-47, the U.S. Air Force's 6th-generation stealth fighter. Asterisk, a machine built to control the skies and silence the battlefield. Asterisk, inside a top-secret hangar, deep within a restricted military complex, the F-47 comes to life. Robotic arms assemble the aircraft with micron-level precision. Asterisk, no bolts, no seams, just carbon fiber stealth skin molded like a single blade. Asterisk, engineers in exosuits guide holographic blueprints. It's not construction, it's precision art. Every piece is designed for one mission: complete and unquestioned air dominance. Now, on a secured runway, the beast awakens. Asterisk, the pilot walks toward the F-47, helmet cinched with the aircraft's AI brain. Asterisk, no buttons, just touchless control. Asterisk, as the canopy seals, the engines ignite with a low, controlled hum. Asterisk, 3 seconds later, full throttle. The jet lifts off like it weighs nothing. It doesn't just take off, it disappears into the sky. At a global Defense Expo, the F-47 is unveiled for the world. A vertical takeoff stuns the crowd. It flips, spins, dives, and hovers mid-air like it's suspended by force fields. Asterisk, this isn't a prototype anymore. It's battle-ready, and every country watching knows this is the future they'll have to fight against. Over a mountain battlefield, the F-47 engages hostile threats. Enemy radar can't lock on. Missiles launch, supersonic, silent, accurate. One by one, targets vanish in clouds of smoke. It twists between canyons, strikes with surgical speed, and vanishes before enemy eyes can react. In less than 90 seconds, the battlefield is cleared. Drone coordination, but it doesn't fight alone. The F-47 commands a swarm of AI drones, each equipped with sensors, weapons, and autonomous flight. Asterisk, they move like birds, think like soldiers, and strike like lightning. The pilot isn't flying one jet. He's orchestrating an entire digital air army. Closing. Future of warfare. This is not just a jet. It's the centerpiece of the next-generation air dominance program. Asterisk, an ecosystem of stealth, speed, and AI. Asterisk, where most aircraft are built for war, the F-47 is built to end it before it begins. Invisible to radar, unmatched in combat. And years ahead of anything flying today. Asterisk, this is the F-47. Asterisk, in the future is already airborne. Asterisk, thanks for watching Technology Zone. Asterisk, if you want more videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because here, the future always flies first.